Welcome to another quick fix video tutorial on NVM. The problem is that I cannot switch the node version from NVM. If I write the NVM list, then it's gonna show me all the installed node and NPM version in my computer. But if I try to switch the version from 18.16.0 to another version, it doesn't work. Let's say NVM use 16.1.0, then it displays a window and asking the permission. Press a yes. If I write the NVM list, then it still stays in 18.16.0. so this is the problem. How to fix that? So the solution is quite easy, but it's a little bit tricky. First you need to go to your program files, then you will get a folder which is called the node.js. Rename it node.jsy. You have to authorize that and press continue. The folder has been renamed. Now if I go to the NVM list, and as you can see that there is no star in here because there is no node version. Okay, it's an error. So if I now write the NVM use 16.1.0, it will create a shortcut link and connect with the NVM. Press enter. As you can see, there is a shortcut link in here. If I check NVM list, the version already switched. Node version, NPM version, everything is working perfectly. So I hope that quick video tutorial helps, and thanks for watching.